Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another drone related unboxing video. Now this arrived in the mail today and I believe this is my hard case for the Mini 3 Pro. Before you ask down below in the comments, no, I don't have any affiliate links for this. I don't get paid to make these videos, and if you want one of these hard cases, get on eBay and search Mini 3 Pro hard case and find the best deal in your area. What the best deal is for me might not be the best deal for you. But let's have a look at this eBay hard case and see if it's any good. So let's open it up and see how we go. This is what greets us when we first open the box. So here's the hard case out of the box. It even says hardshell case for Mini 3 Pro. Right there. It's got a nice handle at the top there. Now the latches look very solid. They are very positive. You've got a provision on each side for padlock, so you can lock your drone. And it is very sturdy. It is very sturdy. I really like this. Some people might say, well, wow, that's a big case for your Mini 3 Pro. And I'm not taking this case hiking. My idea behind these hard cases is I store my drone in these and all the accessories. And then I can just safely put this in my car when I'm traveling and I know my drone is protected. If I'm going to go for a hike, I might put the drone in my backpack, or maybe even just in the little soft case that comes with the Fly More kit that I'm still waiting on. We don't have the Fly More kit yet. Okay, let's have a look inside and see what it looks like. It's got eggshell foam in the lid, and it's got all the cutouts here. So I'm going to have to pull out the cutouts. Okay, so that piece just comes out. That's where your drone fits. So now you can put the drone in there. This part just pulled out where the controller goes. So now I've got space for my drone, my controller. I can put some spare controller joysticks in there, which I definitely will be doing. I've already ordered spare ones. Now your triple charger goes there, and you can put 2 more batteries here. Now obviously I don't have my Fly More kit yet because I'm still waiting for it. I can probably just leave that as it is, or I can take that out and put my triple charger in there once it does turn up eventually. Now there's also further space down here underneath the drone, and I'm not sure what you put in there. You might put some spare propellers in there. You might put your propeller tool in there, or maybe your DJI charger brick once it turns up. And there's also another compartment here, quite a large space actually, that goes underneath your controller. So you can probably put your cables and charger bricks and different things in there. So everything for your Mini 3 Pro will fit in this case. Let's see how well it all fits. There you go, fits in there really nice. Okay, this is reasonably soft. You can see that there. So my drone and my controller fit in there. I can put my triple charger in there. I can put 2 more batteries. I've got the original battery that came with my drone, so let's try that out. So your battery just fits in there. And you've got another space for another battery there, so you can have your 2 batteries and your triple charger. You can have your cables and some other accessories stored down the bottom there, and you've got a storage space under there. I like the fact that you've got cutouts here, provisions to make it easier to get your items out of the box, so you can just slip your finger in there, take it your controller, or you can just reach in there and pick up your drone. There you go, the drone's in there, the controller's in there, and I'm ready to travel. Now, I'm extremely happy with this case, absolutely love it. It is very well made. The cutouts are very well made. It's precision cut, it's beautiful, beautiful work. So you don't have any rough edges or anything like that. The finish on this is absolutely amazing. Now, if you need a hard case for your drone, I would definitely recommend getting yourself one of these. I mean, you can't go wrong with this, and it fits your whole Fly More combo in there, and any accessories that you might need, your charger, your charging cables, your download cables, anything you might need, ND filters, it will all fit into this case. Now, maybe you don't need a hard case, then maybe you just wasted some of your life watching this video. Then obviously don't buy a hard case, just stick with a soft case, or even maybe the case that does come with your Fly More combo. And look, I'm pretty certain I will still be using the case that comes with my Fly More combo when I finally do get it. If I'm going to be hiking in the bush, I'm not going to be taking this along. I might just want a little shoulder bag, a little camera bag, or a little soft bag to keep my drone in. If I'm going on a plane trip, I want my drone to be in this case. If I'm driving cross country in my four-wheel drive, I want my drone to be in this case. It all depends on what your personal needs are. Now, if you enjoyed this video at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the brand new case, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.